So today we are going to figure out how to fix the FM static on these Epix FX models. I believe we got to start by removing this right here. All right, so it took me a minute to find the actual antenna, but we popped this whole thing out. You grab the harness from the screen. You actually pull these wires out. Then you look through all these and you find the radio antenna. I broke the clip, followed the wire, found the antenna. The antenna was double-sided tape to over here. Couldn't find it. Found it. Now I'm going to replace it out here somewhere. Maybe behind there or somewhere over here. So, put everything back.
Plus everything from family fun days to food festivals. Every weekend, all season long. Continue to Shores.
I don't know if this actually helped in any way, but the antenna's exposed. The radio sounds a lot better than before, but it still doesn't pick up all the stations.